Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Dermalogica Sheer Tint is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after tinted moisturizers on the market, offering a sheer wash of color that adapts beautifully to a variety of skin tones while simultaneously providing essential sun protection and hydration. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula is designed to enhance your natural complexion, leaving your skin looking radiant, healthy, and effortlessly smooth, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a natural glow with added skincare benefits. Number 5. Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Blurring Face Primer SPF 30. Discover the secret to a perfect complexion with this innovative Korean beauty primer. It's designed to simplify your makeup routine while delivering exceptional results. Prepare your skin for makeup application while shielding it from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This formula offers essential sun protection for your face. Achieve a soft focus effect that blurs imperfections and enhances your natural beauty. Its lightweight formula provides a comfortable, velvety finish. Instantly blur the appearance of pores and fine lines for a smooth, velvety complexion. It works as a wrinkle filler, preventing creasing under makeup. This primer is designed to look great on everyone. It's suitable for all ages and skin types, making it a versatile addition to any beauty routine. Feel good about what you're putting on your skin. This formula is mineral-based, cruelty-free, and Leaping Bunny approved. What we like. This primer offers a unique Korean beauty innovation for a flawless base. It provides SPF 30 protection against sun damage. If you're looking for a product that smooths fine lines and blurs imperfections for a soft focus finish, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want makeup to last while benefiting from sun protection and a refined complexion. What people say. It provides a sheer, natural-looking tint that evens out skin tone without looking heavy. The formula is lightweight and blends easily into the skin, leaving a dewy finish. It contains SPF 20, offering sun protection along with cosmetic benefits. Number 4. Dermalogica Super Rich Repair Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate solution for dry, aging skin. This powerful moisturizer deeply hydrates and replenishes, restoring your skin's natural moisture balance. Turn back the clock on visible aging. It works to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. Experience the power of a super concentrated formula. A little goes a long way to deliver potent anti-aging benefits and lasting hydration. Help your skin regain its lost moisture. This cream is designed to effectively replenish your skin's natural lipid barrier. Indulge in the rich, nourishing texture of this advanced moisturizer. It provides superior comfort and helps improve skin's resilience. Achieve visibly healthier and more supple skin. Its advanced formula supports skin repair and enhances its natural protective functions. What we like. This is a super rich, concentrated moisturizer designed for intense hydration and anti-aging. It helps replenish the skin's natural moisture levels, making it perfect for dry or mature skin. If you are looking for a deeply nourishing cream that combats dryness and signs of aging, this product will provide significant comfort and rejuvenation. What people say. This is the absolute best moisturizer I've ever used. My face is plumped and smooth and fine lines are significantly diminished every morning after applying this moisturizer over my actives at night. I happen to love this product mostly during dry cold winter months. My face, neck, hands feel moisturized and look more cared for. It is a genuine emollient. Great product and my face feels good. Good for hypoallergenic faces as well. Number 3. Dermalogica Biolumin-C Serum. Discover the power of advanced vitamin C. This potent serum is designed to reveal a visibly brighter and firmer complexion. Tired of uneven skin tone? Our formula specifically targets and reduces the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation for a more balanced look. Experience the dual action of peptides and AHAs. They work together to gently exfoliate and firm your skin, enhancing its natural radiance. Achieve a more uniform complexion. This serum helps to diminish the look of unbalanced pigmentation, promoting clearer, more luminous skin. Reveal your skin's natural luminosity. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in firmness and overall brightness. Embrace a revitalized appearance. This serum is your daily essential for achieving a brighter, healthier-looking skin tone. What we like. This serum is packed with vitamin C to brighten your complexion and tackle dark spots. It also contains peptides and AHAs to firm the skin and improve texture. If you are concerned about uneven pigmentation, dullness, or loss of firmness, this serum is an excellent addition to your routine for a more radiant and youthful appearance. What people say. I can see that some of my freckles have gotten lighter. I was spending money on the SkinCeuticals CE for Rolic but wanted to see if I could find another vitamin C alternative. Now this isn't a lot cheaper by any means, but it's slightly less. What I am doing though is mixing this with PCA Skin Vitamin C and E-Strength Max. I squeeze a little of that into the middle of my palm and then use several drops of the Dermalogica serum to make the PCA more spreadable and last longer. This combination for me has been killer. I'm also putting this on the back of my hands and décolletage, smiley face. It seemed to have darkened my skin and exacerbated the negative effects of other products I was using. At this price point, I was not going to trash it and decided to use it on a surgical scar. Now that is when the serum showed up and showed out. After a week, with daily use, the scar was lighter and finer. Even my stretch marks in the area of my scar were less visible. Number 2. Supergoop. Glowscreen SPF 40, Sunrise. Meet your new favorite daily essential. This product provides broad-spectrum sun protection while giving your skin a beautiful, radiant glow. It's the perfect way to start your day with confidence and luminosity. It does more than just shield your skin from the sun. This formula actively helps to filter blue light, protecting your skin from environmental stressors. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're covered. Experience deep hydration that leaves your skin feeling plump and refreshed. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5, it quenches your skin's thirst. Get ready for a dewy, healthy-looking complexion. Achieve a flawless base for your makeup. This product acts as a glowy primer, smoothing your skin and creating the ideal canvas. It enhances your natural radiance for a truly luminous finish. Enjoy a subtle, tinted coverage that evens out your skin tone. It provides a sheer wash of color for a natural, healthy appearance. Look effortlessly radiant every day. With SPF 40, it offers robust protection against harmful UV rays. This ensures your skin stays safe and shielded throughout the day. Prioritize your skin's health with every application. What we like. This product provides a beautiful glowy finish while acting as both a primer and a tinted sunscreen. It offers SPF 40 broad-spectrum protection and helps filter blue light. If you desire a luminous complexion, need daily sun protection, and want a hydrating formula that primes your skin for makeup, this is an excellent option for an effortless, radiant look. What people say. It gives the prettiest glow without looking greasy and makes my skin look healthy and awake even when I did nothing else. It's tinted just enough to even things out, plus SPF 40 so I feel protected and put together at the same time. I love that it's super hydrating and works as a primer if I do decide to throw on a little makeup. The texture is smooth and lightweight, and it gives my skin a beautiful bronze glow without feeling greasy. It blends easily, works perfectly under makeup, and adds just the right amount of radiance. I love that it protects my skin with SPF 40 while still looking natural and luminous. Number 1. Dermalogica Prisma Protect SPF 30. Introducing a revolutionary daily moisturizer designed to shield your skin. It provides essential protection while keeping your complexion hydrated and radiant. With SPF 30, it offers robust defense against harmful UV rays. This ensures your skin stays protected throughout the day from sun damage. Experience deep hydration that revitalizes your skin. It replenishes moisture, leaving your face feeling soft and supple. Unlock your skin's natural glow with this advanced formula. It enhances your skin's inherent radiance for a healthy, vibrant appearance. This is your all-in-one solution for daily skincare needs. It protects, hydrates, and boosts luminosity, simplifying your routine. Discover the power of this innovative product. It's designed to give you protected, hydrated, and luminous skin every single day. What we like. This moisturizer offers robust defense against UV rays while simultaneously enhancing your skin's natural radiance. It provides essential hydration and helps your skin look more luminous. If you are seeking a daily moisturizer that protects from the sun, combats dullness, and keeps your skin hydrated and glowing, this is a fantastic choice for everyday wear. What people say. My face never burned, and when I applied this product my skin felt wonderful. Not greasy or sticky like other face sunscreens I've tried. I even put my SPF foundation on over top and had no problem. This product is perfect for moisturizing and sunscreen. Doesn't cause breakouts. It's lightweight as well. It doesn't leave your face oily, just so soft. No white cast, extremely small product. Literally seemed like a sample. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.